Alright, so let's unbox this yellow squishy thing. Alright, so this is a Norton Hook and Sand hand sander. Basically, it's a soft, squishy hand sanding thing. I've actually wanted this for like over a year now because, like, when I first started, you're sanding by hand, and half of what you have are things for your random orbit sander. You do this for hours on end. That's called how to develop hand fatigue real easily. And when you have carpal tunnel, that's really not a good thing. Alright, so that's nice and squishy. Actually, that's really nice and squishy. It comes, so that works, and that's some decent Velcro there. So nice, squishy. Yeah, that's actually really the best part, is shape. Not even the shape, just really nice and squishy. Alright, there's 2 sheets of 220 grit paper. Here is 2 sheets of 120 grit paper and 1 sheet of 80 grit paper. This must be much more for much finer finishing sanding, or at least that's, oh, I mean it's for any sanding. I mean, like, really I'm going to use this for any sanding. But I guess they may be thinking, I guess, more fine finishing, because if you're doing a little bit rougher, you can go through 80 a lot quicker than these two. But either way, I'm gonna mostly use this with like circular stuff. So let's test it. Man, that already feels a lot better. Well, that's effective, which I kind of found some Norton sandpaper. Now for the real test. I really am hoping this thing works. Basic Home Depot Diablo Ram sandpaper. Ah, you can hear it hit here. Now that's good. Yeah. What else can we try it on? Back when I had a working Mega Mouse sander. back when I had a working Mickey Mouse sander. Yeah, I'm quite happy. You can even see the holes for the sawdust. You guys may be able to see it. So there you go. That's the Norton multi-sand, you know, soft, squishy sanding tool.